So muri Zimbabwe pane vamwe vanouya vachindipopotera achiti hey super iwewe super, why are you doing this, why uri kupa vanhu news dzakaita sedzidzidzi, why uri kulika information yemukati. At the end of the day kana vanhu havanga vachironga something secret kuti uda kubvisa Mnangagwa sei, and then iwo wopa vanhu that information, what is going to happen tomorrow, it means Mnangagwa anotanga kuwana maclues and then he makes moves. All right, muri Zimbabwe, I get it. I really get it, what you are saying, but you have to understand that politics is a game of perception. Politics is a game of what people believe. So, you see, isusu muri Zimbabwe right now ndapindigwa nenews dzabva kuna comrade Takawira vari kundiudza kuti tell the people this is what is happening, and what is happening is a strategy iri kubva kuma comrade anowirirana naChiwenga, kuma comrade anofambidzana kana kuti anodyidzana naChiwenga, and what they have agreed and what is their secret plan. So the first reason why every Zimbabwean must know this secret plan is because this secret plan involves every Zimbabwean. Every Zimbabwean must be involved. And at the end of the day, remember, this is our country, muri Zimbabwe. But General Chiwenga, let me tell you this, is a rich guy. On a personal level, this guy is rich. He has got probably millions. And he can buy, houses. He can buy all types of cars. But I don't choose. I work for my Toyota. He can live anywhere in the world. He probably has got mines, farms, etc. And so, kana Chiwenga ari kuronga zvinhu against president wenyika, against, in fact, we don't want to talk about Mnangagwa as just an ordinary president. Mnangagwa is a president who is willing to disrupt everything, to destroy everything, destroy our constitution, destroy our democracy, destroy just about everything and establish whatever he is trying to establish. So, when Chiwenga is fighting this guy, he's not by himself. He's with the people of Zimbabwe, and he is doing it for the people of Zimbabwe. Otherwise, on a personal level, Chiwenga could just, pull out of all of this politics, or end up rest somewhere in the farms, somewhere in the suburbs, even go America, Los Angeles, whatever, Malibu, and Mupabata. But the guy is taking action against Mnangagwa, muno mu Zimbabwe, because of you and me, my ordinary Zimbabweans. So, news dzasvika pa news desk muri Zimbabwe dziri kuchiudza about the plan. And to some of you, it might be a new thing, but to some of you, it might be like, oh, okay, we have heard this before. So, the plan iri kuitwa right now. Unfortunately, we are sorry to the Mnangagwa faction. We are sorry kuna vana Tungwarara. We are very sorry everybody who is rallying behind Mnangagwa. Because some of you guys have broken the law, musingazivi, and some of you have broken the law knowingly, but because you are too greedy, murukuti regai Mnangagwa aramba aripo tirambe tichidla tirambe tichibudirira. And at that point of view of yours, yakuzokupinzai pama1 muna yatinoti isusu taisireva. So what is happening behind the scenes right now in the barracks, in secret, corridors, meeting rooms, etc., is that Mnangagwa, is that Chiwenga, and a lot of generals are in agreement. And their agreement iri kuti regai asaine chinhu ichocho chaanoti Cap 3 ndo patomupedzera. So I think we have seen to my delays to see justifiable, to my delays to ngori nonsensical or stupid. We reported about this, and then takabatanzwa umwe mu comment section achiti achasaina zvake, muri kutaura muri kudii muri Zimbabwe. This is a high stakes political game. Game rinotambwa uchiziva kuti you might lose a lot or gain a lot. You might lose everything or gain everything. So, muchimuona Mnangagwa achiita zvaari kuita izvi. You have to understand this guy. You have to understand this guy and where he is coming from. So, first of all, let me tell you this. As Zimbabweans, you have to understand this. The truth ndechekuti Mnangagwa is a real ordinary guy. He's just an ordinary Zimbabwean. Mufesa anotobva somewhere in the Midlands. He's an ordinary Shona guy. And who is, in fact, Bvise Tribes, he's an ordinary human being or an African. And anyengegwa kauti anyengereka nechinhu chatinoti power. He has drank from that cup of power, and unfortunately he is intoxicated. You know, to him he thinks, hey, Zimbabweans, look, you guys, you don't have to hate me. You don't have to hate me that much. Come on, these things happen. You can be selfish also just like me if you were to get into this position of power. And he really wishes you, all of you Zimbabweans, Musa Torah, his selfishness, his greediness, is that serious. And he wishes Mongo Torah light. So, of course, it happens when Mungu becomes greedy. And then what he tries to do to justify it is to try to, develop the country. And then oburika chitasa ndavaka road yakati ndazovaka interchange yakafana mbudzi interchange yakunzi Trabablas. Murubara. Muri Zimbabwe. Kana manzwisisa that fact, you understand who Mnangagwa is. You understand the strategy behind iri kuipinzugwa nana Chiwenga nemagenerals yekuti mukomana achingosiyana cap 3 takamuremove. This is the strategy. So muri Zimbabwe isusu chedu pano pamuzinda wavanhu neni wenyu Nexus chatongoita kupa vanhu news. So ndakupai news. This is what is happening. Thank you for watching. Stay tuned. Make sure you stay tuned because we are going to be dropping more gems, more updates. Peace.